いらっしゃいませ。Welcome to my kitchen. My name is Reiko. Today, I'm going to show you how to cook Japanese fried chicken. Kukururu! Kokekoko! Does it sound the same? Well, that's how Japanese chicken says. Right. When you ask Japanese chef, which meat would you use? Breast meat or thigh meat? Lots of them will say thigh meat. But why? The reason is that breast meat has got less fat contents and thigh meat has got more fat contents. So this fat makes the thigh meat juicier and flavorsome. But both are very good source of protein. So shall we get started? Now ingredients are chicken thigh. Now I'm going to marinate this with Japanese sake, soy sauce, garlic, ginger, and to give a little bit tingling feeling in your mouth, cayenne pepper and pinch of salt. So these are for the marinade. And then for the outside butter, corn flour, tempura flour. Now if you can't get the tempura flour, all corn flour will do. And the egg. So this is one kind of butter, and I'm going to show you another kind, a little bit more healthier version with a wholemeal bread. Right, let's marinate the chicken first. I cut the chicken about this size, a bit bigger than an inch size. So then put the chicken in a bag like this. Okay, and then the sake, soy sauce, and grated ginger. And then the grated garlic, cayenne pepper, and then the pinch of salt. Okay, and then let's just give a little bit of pepper as well. So now all lovely ingredients are in. Let's close the bag and then just mix it like that so that everything goes onto every surface of the meat. Right, and then stick this in the fridge for half an hour. Now chicken's been marinated in the fridge, so let's add the butter. Now this is the egg, beaten egg. Let's add it just half of it, not too much, just half, okay? Because we don't want the chicken to get too wet. And then mix again, so the egg goes all over. It's nice to do it in a bag, so you don't need to. Your hand's still very, very clean. From this point, I'm going to show you two different ways. Now, fried chicken means deep fry, right? But deep fry uses lots of oil, lots of calorie. So now this way is I'm going to use a normal frying pan like this. I'm going to shallow fry. So less oil, less calorie. And another way is I'm going to use the wire rack like this and cook in the oven. And not using oil whatsoever. So this is even healthier way. So the first shallow fry way is, let's put the corn flour, tempura flour, seal the bag, and then toss, oopsie daisy, all over, and then shallow fry. Now put the vegetable oil in the pan, okay. Let's throw the excess oil, shall we? Less oil, less calorie. Put the chicken, let's just separate it, and let's leave it for a couple of minutes. Now one side is been cooking 5-6 minutes. Let's check it. Yeah, it's ready to turn. Right, so chicken takes time to cook through, so start with a lower heat, okay? Right, so then another 5-6 minutes. I think now it's ready. Let's check it again. Now when you check it, just stick the knife into the thickest one, right? So if the thickest chicken is cooked, the rest is cooked, yeah? Yeah, now it's ready. Let's just put it on the plate. Oh, this looks good. So this is very healthy, non-fried chicken. The next one is I'm not going to fry at all. So it's a lot healthier way. Now first, please make a breadcrumb from the wholemeal bread. Please toast the bread because the toasting bread becomes slightly browner, and that's the color this food is going to be. So makes it a little bit more attractive color, right? Toast it you put it in a blender and make a breadcrumb like this. Okay? And then the chicken piece, one by one, put the chicken and pat with a breadcrumb, right? And then little shake, and then put it on a wire rack. And then once all done, put whole thing in the oven, 220 degrees for 15 minutes. Now it's been cooking in the oven for 15 minutes. I think it's ready. Oh, looks good. Let's put it in a bowl nicely. Off we go. Look. This is Japanese fried chicken in 2 different styles. いただきます。I hope you enjoyed this healthier Japanese fried chicken recipe. Thank you for watching. I'm releasing a new recipe as much as I can. And please tune in and subscribe. Kampai!